Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omen. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omen won't power on at all, you might be facing a power supply issue. This can happen due to age, excessive heat, or even power surges that damage the internal components. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage to your laptop, potentially costing you more in repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply. It's essential to ensure you're working in a static-free environment to protect your device. To start, make sure your HP Omen is completely turned off and unplugged from any power source. It's advisable to remove the battery if your model allows it. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be careful as some screws may be hidden under rubber feet or stickers, so check carefully. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel with the flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the casing. Now, let's locate the power supply unit. It's usually situated near the center of the device, connected by several cables. You will see a few screws securing it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove these screws. Be cautious when disconnecting the cables, gently pull them out without using excessive force to avoid damaging the connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old power supply successfully removed, take your new power supply and position it in the same spot. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly seated in their respective ports. Once everything is back in place, gently replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Ensure all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect the battery if it was removed, plug in the power adapter, and try to power on your HP Omen. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the replacement. To prevent future power supply issues, ensure your laptop is well ventilated and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for any dust accumulation and clean it out to keep the internal components functioning properly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.